grab.
Alright guys, welcome to my channel, The Flying Mechanic. Today we are going to see how to maintain a chain on a motorcycle. To maintain your chain, you require a kerosene. Kerosene to clean the chain. A small container to take kerosene inside the container, and the toothbrush to apply kerosene and rub the chain around. The most important thing you will require is the paddock stand, or else if your bike have a center stand, you can put your bike on a center stand so that you can rotate your wheel freely and clean the chain round and lubricate the chain. And just in case if you don't have a paddock or a center stand, then what you can do is take a part of a chain, clean that first, move your bike forward or backward, then clean another part. Likewise, you can clean the whole chain and you can lubricate the whole chain in the same way. So now let's get started. I just put my bike on a paddock and then we get started with the cleaning of the chain. Alright guys, I have taken kerosene in the container and now I would apply on the whole chain. The thing to remember, there is always a link, a chain link with a different type of coupling over here or a different color. Sometimes there might be a lock over here on the chain. Take that link as a referral point to start cleaning or for lubrication. Now I'll start applying kerosene all around my chain. Apply ample amount of kerosene. Let the chain soak inside the kerosene. Wiping off the chain with the clean rag. Don't use any dirty rags. And yes, do not start your engine, put your bike in first gear and do the chain maintenance thing. That might cause an accident. Your hand might go inside this pocket and it would cause the loss of your fingers. So don't do that. See this mud coming out of my chain. Change the side of the cloth, take the clean part again, just rub it like that, likewise. Just keep on rubbing. I would apply kerosene one more time on my whole chain so that any of the remaining dirt or grime would be washed off. Same as before, start from the starting link, the referral link. Alright, now it's kind of washing part, so take a single link at a time and apply lots of kerosene and rub every single mud or dirt which you see around on the chain. After this, we will be getting a bike for the washing. Alright guys, now the chain has been cleaned, so now I would love to wash my bike. You can see the amount of mud over the swing arm here, beneath the fender lining. Okay, right there inside. I don't know if you might see or not. Yeah. Okay guys, so after washing my bike, I come back and show you how to lubricate the chain. Alright guys, my bike has been washed and now we are back for chain lube. I use this chain lube spray. I'm using this thing for like 2 years from now and I'm getting good result. So yeah, let's get started. So we have lubed our chain and now I'm starting to lube the side wall of the chain. Done. Don't go way far too much because you don't require a lot of lube on the chain. You just require lube that keeps the o-ring between this link to be lubricated. Otherwise these o-ring chains come with the grease in between the rollers and the pins outside. So yeah, that's all for the chain maintenance thing. Thank you.